guys, so you've been learning about who discovered atoms and what they looked like. Now I'm going to teach you how to actually draw an atom from looking at your periodic table, okay? You've all been given one of these, or it's been attached in a PDF document. So I'll show you quickly how to do your atom. Remember, atoms have protons, which have a positive charge of 1, neutrons, which have a 0 charge, and electrons, which have a negative charge of 1. Okay, so protons, electrons, negative charge, negative 1 charge. Protons, positive 1 charge, and then your neutrons have 0 charge, so they're neutral, 0 charge. Okay, what you need to remember as well, guys, is protons and neutrons are in the middle of the atom. That middle part is called the nucleus, okay? So these two make up the nucleus. So right in the middle, you've got your nucleus. And then these electrons are flying around on the outside. The most realistic model that you found out was the cloud model, okay? The cloud model says that you've got atoms, protons and neutrons and electrons, protons and neutrons in the middle, and electrons are flying around in a cloud all over the place, okay? But that's not easy to draw an atom. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be using the Bohr model to draw an atom, okay? So now let's pick an atom. We'll go for lithium, okay? Lithium, if you see it down here, lithium is number 3. Okay, so you've got Li. Li is the symbol, lithium. Lithium has number 3. So what does that mean? Number 3 up here is your atomic number, so he's got 3. Number. And this is also equal to the number of protons. So we know he's got 3 protons. Protons are positive, so we'll do 1, 2, 3 protons. Okay? Electrons. If it's a positive, if it's a neutral atom, which this is, if you've got 3 protons, well then you know that you've got 3 electrons, okay? But we'll draw him in a minute. How do we find out how many neutrons he's got? And that's really easy. You look at the second number on your chart. Okay, so 3 is a number, atomic number, that's how many protons. The number at the bottom, 6.9, is its atomic mass, 6.9, we can round it up to 7. So 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, so this tells us it has 4 neutrons. So we know now that the atomic number is protons. Electrons is the same as the protons, and to find the neutrons you do the atomic mass minus the atomic number. Okay, so we now know that it has 3 protons, 3 electrons and 4 neutrons. So we'll draw him. 4. He's going to have 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then he's going to have a little valence around here. In here he's going to have 2 electrons. He's actually going to have another valence, but we'll talk about that later, guys, okay? Here you go. So he's got 3 electrons. So all I want you to be able to do is tell me how many protons, electrons, and neutrons each atom has. And this was lithium, guys. Lithium. There you go. Super easy. If you want to know how many neutrons it's got, you minus the bottom number, take away the top number, okay?